In modern warfare, air power is not about numbers. It is about smart decisions. And in late 2025, Colombia made a decision that surprised many defense analysts around the world. Instead of choosing the most expensive stealth fighter on the market, Colombia signed a multi-billion-dollar agreement for Sweden's advanced Gripen fighter jet. But why? What made this aircraft the right choice? And what does this deal mean for regional security in Latin America? Today, we break it down. For years, Colombia relied on aging Kafir fighter jets. These aircraft served the country for decades, but modern air combat has evolved dramatically. Radar systems are more advanced, missiles travel farther, electronic warfare has become more complex. Maintaining older aircraft was becoming increasingly expensive, and operational limitations were becoming more visible. Colombia needed a replacement, not just any replacement, but a platform that could defend its airspace effectively while staying within budget limits. After evaluating multiple options, Colombia finalized a deal worth approximately $3.6 billion with Swedish defense company Saab. The agreement includes modern Gripen E/F multirole fighter jets, along with training, maintenance support, spare parts, and long-term logistics assistance. Deliveries are expected to take place in phases, allowing the Colombian Air Force to smoothly transition from its older fleet to a modern system without disrupting operational readiness. This phased approach reduces risk and ensures pilots and ground crews can adapt to the new technology step by step. Why Gripen? The Gripen stands out for several reasons. First, cost efficiency. Compared to fifth-generation stealth fighters, Gripen has significantly lower acquisition and operating costs. Second, multi-role capability. It can perform air defense, interception, ground attack, reconnaissance, and maritime missions. Third, advanced technology. Modern radar systems, digital avionics, and network-centric combat integration allow it to operate effectively in modern battle environments. For a country balancing security needs with economic realities, this combination is highly attractive. Strategic impact. This acquisition strengthens Colombia's ability to monitor and protect its airspace. Modern sensors improve detection capability. Enhanced communication systems improve coordination. Advanced weapons integration increases response effectiveness. At the same time, analysts emphasize that this is a modernization step, not an escalation move. Many mid-sized nations today are choosing platforms that offer strong performance without extreme costs. Colombia's decision reflects this broader global trend. Industrial and economic dimension. Defense deals are rarely just about aircraft. They often include training programs, technical cooperation, and long-term support agreements. Such elements help develop domestic expertise in maintenance and aerospace operations. Over time, this can strengthen local technical capacity and reduce dependence on external support. For Colombia, these aspects add long-term strategic value beyond the aircraft themselves. What happens next? The next phase involves pilot training, infrastructure preparation, and integration into Colombia's existing command systems. Successful implementation will determine how quickly the new fighters achieve full operational capability. If the transition proceeds smoothly, Colombia's Air Force will enter a new era of modernization, equipped for the demands of contemporary air operations. The Colombia Gripen deal is more than a purchase. It represents a strategic calculation, choosing sustainability, flexibility, and capability over prestige. In a world where defense budgets are under pressure and technology evolves rapidly, smart procurement decisions matter more than ever, and Colombia's decision may influence how other nations think about their own air power in the years ahead. For more in-depth analysis of global defense and military technology, subscribe and stay informed, because the balance of air power is constantly evolving.